We are expecting a very windy day today, a wind advisory in effect through 7 p.m. this evening. The strong winds will return shortly after sunrise. This will be a little bit different than most high wind events where it takes a little bit longer to get the strong winds, but we have some very strong winds above the surface. Those will be mixing down very quickly. Winds will be a little stronger than yesterday. We're expecting sustained winds around 30 miles per hour with gusts between 40 and 50 miles per hour. Some higher elevations may see gusts to 55 miles per hour. The winds will start diminishing later this afternoon over south central Wisconsin and then more toward evening in southeast Wisconsin. Driving with the strong crosswinds will make travel difficult, especially if you're driving a high profile vehicle.